Using Homebrew is a secret to keep your machine's tooling razor sharp. Install it once, tune it, avoid the traps that I show you at the end of the video. You'll never dread having to reset up your laptop again.
Bootstrap your dev box, quick and snappy. Tools on deck, keep it all happy.
It's the Dev's Guide to Homebrew right now. Why did I do that? In this episode of Full Stack Drip, Bootstrap Your Dev Box, I walk you through how to install and maintain Homebrew properly. At the end, I'll show you what you should not use Homebrew for. This video is going to move quickly. It's going to be chock full of information, so you can save it down there somewhere, and then you can refer to it later. You're installing dev software, so you already know that not everything lives on the Mac App Store. Homebrew is the package manager for community-supported tools that devs and power users use. Now we get it from here, brew.sh, and they have good instructions here. They've got a little... We're going to want to copy and paste this script or this command into our terminal. I advise you get it from here and not even from my website, because this is a trusted source. Now you may need to install, especially if your Mac is pretty clean, you may need to install the command line tools from Xcode. Now you may also need to add this to your path. Just always follow the next steps that are printed on the screen by the installer. These instructions are the source of truth. So now we can install some things, like we go brew, just type brew, install, and let's say git. Now maybe we want the Docker CLI, that's brew install Docker. Very quick, very demure. Now, if you want to install something that has a GUI element to it, they call that a cask, in keeping with the drinking metaphor. It's homebrew, so this is a cask. One of them would be Visual Studio Code. Brew install Visual Studio Code. Yep, it grabbed the cask, and it saw that I already had it, but that's cool. Now here's a list of essential commands. Oh, I could show you this one in the terminal. Brew list shows you everything you've got installed. Brew update updates Homebrew itself, which includes the list of available packages. We've got upgrade, which updates the stuff that Homebrew has installed. Then we have brew doctor, which is going to go through and give you some warning. So again, here are your main cleanup commands. Wait, where are we? Oh, there we go. Main cleanup commands are brew update, brew upgrade, brew doctor, and brew cleanup. I usually run the first three once a week. Cleanup maybe once a month. You can automate this. You could just automate it and have them run once a week, honestly. And I would run them on like a Tuesday afternoon. Don't run them Monday morning, and don't run them Friday night. But like some slow time in the middle of the week is probably a great time to do this, and then it keeps your stuff all up to date. If everyone on your team does that, then all of your tools are updating at the same time. Now here's a chart with some essentials. What kind of stuff do you install with Homebrew? Well, if you saw the first video, you know that Homebrew is installing in the system scope, and there's specific things we want in there. These are the types of things that we want in there. We want like version control here, like Git. We want CI/CD automation tools like AWS's CLI, GitHub's CLI, Firebase tools. Get to that later. Then we were going to do container and dev infra stuff like Docker, Kubernetes, OpenTofu, which is now what you use instead of Terraform if you want an open source tool. Productivity utilities like Tmux, HToptree, wget, JQ, Watchman. Install what fits for you. There's a whole... Let's look over here. Whole list over here on brew.sh of packages. Now, here's the pro tips. Install the things that you don't care if they auto update. Git is a perfect example. No one's like, oh, I need to be on this old Git version. Like Git is something that's like, as soon as there's a new one, you update it. That's the type of stuff that you want to use in Homebrew. These are the things that you're never going to want to do. One, never do a language. People will tell you to do it in tutorials. Don't do it. They'll say, brew install Node. Don't do it. Brew install Python. Don't do it. Use the version manager for languages like NVM, pyenv, rbenv, cargo, etc. Things you shouldn't install: 1, any languages; 2, any language version managers; 3, any language package managers. Install those things with their own installers. You don't want Brew controlling those things, specifically not languages. Use a version manager, or else you can't manage. You're going to be run into trouble when you're trying to manage 2 different projects that have 2 different versions of the same language. So yes, anything system level; no, any languages; 2, no, any version managers; 3, no, any package managers. You will even find them in Brew, so that's the dangerous part. Don't do it, trust me. You can save the video down below. It's a little bookmark icon. I answer every comment here. I answer everything on Blue Sky and Threads. I'm on there as Full Stack Drip. And the cheat sheets are on fullstackdrip.com. Hit subscribe if you want more, or if you just want to clean up your dev box with me. Thank you again for watching. Peace. Full Stack Drip.
Full stack drip, yeah, you know the drill. It's a vibe, yeah, no.